Hi everyone, welcome back to our AC Corner YouTube channel. Today I would like to share about DJI Academy. This is one up from DJI Academy, Dubai AC Corner. So what about the terms and conditions for the training and how much it will cost, many customer ask, and also what kind of which training I should join for this time, and can we attend online, many questions about the DJI Academies. So, and what about the certificates, where it comes from? Yes, the certificates, because we are DJI Academy, they authorized by the DJI manufacturer. So the authorized, your certificates also will be authorized from DJI itself. It's kind of more look like product training. So we are DJI Academy Dubai, so we are based in Dubai. However, our customers are worldwide, so you can invite us to your country or you can come to Dubai and to join. So to start the training, initially you need to go and register in the official DJI Academy website. Of course, for our training you can select United Arab Emirates, so you will see our training center. Then you can register. Remember, register for the course title is agriculture drone operation. So in the training you will let you start if you are new beginner. If you are using, will make you more professional to optimize your operation in the safety and also efficient manner. Whatever the course, so we have a different kind of training. We have two basically for our class. First, like a BISIF or agriculture drone operation, just a simple one like DJI Academy. And the second one, we also have a professional training. How different for professional training? For professional training, we believe you will need the mapping tools for the spot spraying and for the multi-spectral ideas. So you need to know the crop analysis. Yes, we are doing it. It's not just for you buy the drone from us. No, you don't have. Maybe you do not have a drone, or you are like an institution and you are just organization and you want to make a funny, or you want to create a job opportunity for the young people. Yes, we are ready to collaborate and to support you to make that happen. So for sure, all the students who join, who pass the exam, the tax, we will award our DJI Academy certificates that will have your young people in your countries to create the job opportunity too. So for the price and the condition, you can simply reach out to any salesman from our AC Corner, or you can simply leave the comment here and we will contact you back. And for the terms and conditions, there's three things. Yes, we also provide training online. We also provide the training offline. Offline, you can come to Dubai, or you can invite as instructor to come to your countries. Of course, that we will do in your own farm, like whatever challenging situation, maybe on the mountains or the tree terrains difference, whatever challenges you have, we are ready to make it easy and efficient and safe for you. Remember, for the examination and certification is very important. Whoever got awarded our DJI Academy certificates, we make sure that person is certified and already absorbed the all theory lessons and all the steps and the safety procedure that our experienced instructor show. So we will make sure this guy have all this knowledge and make it ready for the form. So basically, for the training, you can only just simply join 2 days training, and if you need more skill for the agriculture mapping, 2 DJI terrors, yeah, you can add another 3 days and you can join for professional training. The certificates will be awarded for those who pass the exam, both operational exam and the theory exam. At the end of the training, we conduct that one. So make sure you cannot get the certificates unless you pass all our exam. So but don't be that much trouble. We will help you at all stages so that you are ready to fly the Agros drone. And yes, I hope that will help you for your training question. And if still have more questions, you can reach out to our salesman. You can leave the comment and we will contact you back. And also AC Corner or DJI Academy, So you can reach out any nearby source you have. So we will assist you at all time with the training quotation and terms and conditions like registration, anything. We are here to assist for you. And thank you for your time, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.